Once the product has cooled, you can start the cleaning process by soaking the cooktop with water. Using a spray bottle with water helps centralize the soaked areas you want to clean. Make sure the soiled area is covered with water. The longer you soak the cooktop, the easier it will be to clean the cooktop. After waiting the desired time, you can wipe the surface with a paper towel or a kitchen towel. For extremely tough soils, apply a non-abrasive cooktop cleaner, such as a fresh cooktop cleaner, to the affected areas to remove the remaining soil from the surface. Gently apply the cleaner with a paper towel in a circular motion. It's important not to apply excessive pressure when using detergents, and do not use coarse or abrasive sponges with detergents. Detergents containing aggressive particles may damage your cooktop.